Hey, it's time to plant cauliflower in the family plot square foot gardening bed. When you're out and you have plant material like this, or you buying this plant material from the store, here's what you should do. I always like to inspect my plant material, right? I look for those plants that may have dead leaves or anything like that, and I may pinch those off. And something else I like to do too, and you should do this as well, I always check the roots, right? Slide those plants out of the pot, if you will. Look at those roots, right? Fibrous roots. This is what you're looking for, okay? All right. I see a little dead leaf right here, so I'm gonna peel that back, okay? Take that off, all right? Now, it calls for just one cauliflower plant per block. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove some of this debris here, okay? Looks like a nail, right? There's a weed trying to grow in here, so we'll definitely take that out. Okay. Kind of turn that soil over a little bit with the trowel here. Planting depth is going to be very important, okay? We don't want to bury the crown of this cauliflower. All right, so here we go. Let's pull that soil back a little bit. I like to break apart the root ball just a little bit, right? Encourage those roots to really get out into the soil. Okay, that's good enough. All right, so here we go. Planted at the same depth that it came out of the pot. I think that's about right. Okay, push it down just a little bit. Get that leaf there off the ground. Got that in the center pretty good. Voila, look at that. Make sure it's nice and firm under there. Okay. All right, and I think I'm going to pinch this leaf off. I don't like it touching the ground there. There you go. There you have it. There's our cauliflower. We'll get that watered in and we'll see what happens in a few weeks, right?